We are trying to figure out what is the regular price of the shoes. And the shoes are on sale for $60 and they were discounted by 20%. If the price is 20% less, excuse me, let's let X be the original amount of shoes before they went on sale, okay? Well, how do you figure out how much the discount amount was? The discount amount, if the discount amount would be 20% times the original amount. And you're going to subtract that from the original amount. And the sales price is $60. So X minus 0.8x, X minus 0.2x is 0.8x equals 16. X is the original amount of the shoes. So let's divide both sides by 0.8. I don't feel like doing long division, so I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 10. I'm going to leave that as 60 times 10 in the top, and the bottom I'm going to call that 8. And 4 will go into 8 2 times. 4 will go into 60, 15 times. 2 will go into 10 5 times. 15 times 5 is 75, and that's X. So that will be the regular price of the shoes.